This is our Shumatt channel. I'm Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Our company specializes in the common rail diesel parts, and today I will introduce you one type of our oil pump. Okay, then please follow me. Let's take a look for our product. And for these types of the oil pump, it's a Denso HP3 oil pump 29400000780 Remanufacturing. And the engine for YD2K2 and the OE number is 16700VM00A. Okay, then please follow me. Let's check the details first. First, you will see on the surfaces of our oil pump here had a label. The label information include a small QR code here and some product code and the OE number print with this position. By the way, if you want to print your own label, if you have this needs, you can contact us, okay? And including the package details, if you want to design the packages, your logo label, etc. If you have these needs, please feel free to contact us. From this part, you will see these accessories. This is our eccentric shaft. And this black part, this is the plunger. And for this oil pump, it has two plungers, this one and this one. Let's move on this part. You will see these accessories. This is our SCV valve, and here the small plug. And on the surface of the SCV valve, it prints with some product model numbers here. And you will see on here the red button part. Generally, the oil can be go through from here, and it can be come out from two sides. These two sides. It had the black cap to cover it. The oil can be come out from these two sides. And from this, the brown color parts, it's the oil transfer pump, And at the bottom of the oil pump, there had the oil temperature sensor. By the way, each of our spare parts, it had the high quality. And because each of items, before we send to you, first we will check it and we will test it. After that, we will send to you. So the quality is, about the quality, you don't need to worry. That's why we have confidence to supply our customer with the 6 months warranty time. During the warranty time, if you are not satisfied with the qualities, you can contact us. We can return it to exchange a product for you. Okay, that's all. If you have any interest about our product or our videos, you can make comments below these videos. Make comments to me. After I see that, I will reply you. Or if you don't mind, leave your WhatsApp or your email address. That would be much easier for us to communicate. And also, our company, we have a trackbook app. If you want to know more information, you can download the app and find more information about the product. Of course, you can send to me. I'm very glad to help you to solve with your problems. Okay, so much for today. It's time to say goodbye. Time is so fast, and each week we have different videos and live show. If you like our product, please follow us at our channel, and feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Have a good day.